traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as more likely being an expanding flat, but it definitely could turn into a running flat, which would make a lower high. An expanding flat would definitely make a higher high. But either way, I don't think it's too important to know the difference yet, because either way, it should continue to trend on the shorter time frames. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I still think that the wave 2 ends here, and this is all a wave 3 from that point on, like subdivisions of a wave 3. So it's like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and we're in a wave 3 of wave 3 right now. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here. I'm looking for a 1, 2, 3-way pullback to go long, and preferably a nice Fibonacci bounce. I don't really think that the correction is over yet. We have CPI inflation data coming out tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow will be the day that ends the correction, or the week after on September 18th we have inflation, not inflation, but we got interest rate coming out. So it may actually continue to correct until the 18th. We'll have to just watch and see. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we had a little bit of pound news today, which caused the pound to be a little bit on the strong side. To me, this definitely looks like a downtrend, wave A. This does look like 1, 2, 3 waves up, wave B. I think if anything, this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C that is forming now. So it is definitely going up now, and it probably will drift up for the good part of the day. But I think overall the trend is down, and it will likely continue to go down to at least a 50 or a 61% Fib retracement. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we had some pound news this morning, which caused the pound to be strong. It is about ready to break structure. So once that does break and hold that structure, then that pretty much proves to me that this whole sensitive trend from here to here is over. If that sensitive trend is over and we expect it to continue down on shorter time frames, then more than likely we would see a correction to the whole move. Probably at least a minimum of a 38, maybe even a 50% pullback, probably some sort of a three-way pattern like an ABC correction up to one of these Fibonacci levels with a nice engulfing move to the downside. If I see that right there, then that is definitely the trade that I would be waiting for the continuation of the downtrend, unless you're a very short time frame trader, which you possibly could get some scalps to the long side while you wait for the three-way pattern to go short for the continuation of this wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.